So you just moved into your new unit, whether it's to start life as an adult or to make a home for a new family, or any other reason, having your own space is always an exciting time. You're ready for a fresh start, but where to begin? Get comfortable and celebrate your new home with me. I'm Sarah Lahbati-Gutierrez, and this is The Good Home. Nowadays, people tend to go for cozy living areas. But how do you transform these rooms into comfortable living spaces? Today, I will be sharing some tips on how to organize and maximize the areas that you have to its full potential. But before you get anything done, remember to always tackle projects that you can easily accomplish to keep you inspired and energized. Let's get started. When it comes to organizing your home, storage is key. Assign areas where you can keep certain items and make sure that they are always free of clutter to accommodate what needs storing. Invest in storage items such as desk and closet organizers, boxes, and storage bins. The next step is to divide your unit into zones. By working into small areas of your home at a time, it will be easier for you to manage your schedule and the task wouldn't seem as intimidating. Start with the shared spaces, the living room, the kitchen, and the dining room, and the bathroom. Then work your way into the personal spaces, the bedroom, the dressing room, or the closet. Lastly, the laundry area and the balcony if you have one. Organizing these spaces will make your life more efficient and enjoyable. Here are some tips for you to try in your home. Let's start with your vertical spaces. These are areas in your home which are often overlooked, like the tops of small cabinets, tables, walls, and even your doors. Shelving units are the best way to maximize these elevated areas to create more space for all your stuff. Do you know that you can actually use the back of your door to store items? Add a reliably stable shower caddy that fits all your bath items. Streamline your routine so it won't be packed full of products. For a tidy bathroom, hang an over-door shoe organizer to keep your makeup, skincare items, hair tools, and toothpaste organized. You can also use this to organize your shoes in the bedroom and as a handy storage space for your kitchen spices. Got more clothes than closet space? Using a plastic or a metal chain to organize your clothes is another way to optimize your vertical space. With a little creativity, you can elevate this simple item and use it to maximize the vacant spaces below. Just spray on some paint and it's good to go. Another way to make use of the vertical space in your kitchen or under sink cabinets is to install mounted bars or tension rods and a few S-hooks. Just make sure that they are secure and will hold the weight of any item you hang on them. This is a handy space-saving option for your mugs or your pots and pans. Alternatively, you can also install a second shower curtain rod in your shower, hang some S-hooks, and voila! You now have a place to hang your bath items. Organizing small items doesn't have to be difficult or annoying. Remember those shopping bags from your favorite stores? Instead of throwing them out, you can actually use them to store small stationary items or small accessories. Now that most of us are working from home, it's really a good idea to focus on organizing your space to help us work more efficiently. Here's a small DIY project that you can do to optimize the wall space in your home office. Hang hooks to keep your bulky headphones or longer cords to keep them neat and tidy. Start by mounting a pegboard or a wire wall organizer above your desk. The size would depend on how much space you have and how many items you need to organize. Just screw the pegboard or the wire wall organizer on the wall securely. Once it's in place, you can hang small storage items like plastic or metal cups, which you can use to store pens, scissors, staplers, and chargers and adapters. You can also put small items which easily get lost, like your USB, keys, batteries, memory cards, earbuds, and even erasers. For larger pieces like your phone or power bank, you can use a rectangular tray to keep them all organized. If the tray is too shallow to hold your items, you can use a cord or a string to hold them upright securely. You can also use this wall organizer to charge your gadgets neatly. Just hang a USB charger or an extension cord using zip ties, and with a short micro USB or USB-C cable, you can now charge your devices while they are docked. Hang hooks next to your charger so you can keep the cables neat when not in use. Transforming your spaces is actually easier than you think. It's all about tricking the eye and making it seem as if you have more space than there actually is. It's as simple as using mirrors on the walls to visually double the size of your room, or scaling down your furniture to make your rooms feel less cramped and more proportional. Emphasizing the vertical elements like a tall shelf or a statement pendant light will add height and create movement in your space. You can also go bare on your window treatments, but if privacy is important to you, use lightweight fabrics such as linen for your draperies to create a sense of airiness in the room. Lastly, show the legs of your furniture to create openness, allowing your spaces to breathe. We all have our priorities and deal breakers when moving to a new home. But keep in mind that creating a comfortable and inviting space is key to living the good home experience. Thank you for joining me here at the expansive luxury resort-inspired SMDC Shore 2 Residences. I am Sarah Lahbati-Gutierrez, and I'll see you in our next episode.